Hey everybody, let's learn how to use the verb querer, which means to want, a very high frequency verb in Spanish. It is also an irregular verb, and it is an ER verb. Let's begin with the conjugation. Yo quiero. Tú quieres. Él, ella, or usted quiere. Nosotros queremos. Ellos, ellas, o ustedes quieren. Remember, we can use the pronoun or we can simply drop it because the termination of each conjugation is different. Have a look at the first video if you have more questions. In these survival Spanish videos, primarily for expats, we focus on first person singular and first person plural primarily because that's how we begin our communication. We learn step by step and then we add as we go along. So first person singular is yo quiero or simply quiero. Let's say you're in a taxi or an Uber or something like that and you've decided that you want to get off immediately, you want to get out. You can say, quiero bajarme aquí, por favor. Quiero bajarme aquí. That means I want to get off here. The word here is aquí. What about this example? Quiero una mesa, por favor. I want a table, please. Remember, when we're beginning, we do step by step and we focus on the present tense conjugation. We can use others, but this is perfectly fine and perfectly understood. So we say, quiero una mesa, por favor. Don't forget good manners and por favor. And a smile. If you want a table for two, quiero una mesa para dos, por favor. What about four? Quiero una mesa para cuatro. When you're at the table, you may want the menu. You say, quiero un menú, por favor. Quiero un menú, por favor. I want a menu, please. What if you want a bottle of water? Quiero una botella de agua, por favor. Quiero una botella de agua, por favor. Now let's look at examples with first person plural, nosotros. That would be nosotros queremos or simply queremos, we want. Now if you're with other people and say you want more of something, you can say queremos más, por favor. Más means more. So if you want to get more coffee for yourself and the people that you're with, you will say, queremos más café, por favor. And if you're asking questions, the question would be, quiere, do you want? Quiere. Quiere agua? Do you want water? Quiere más? Do you want more? So that would be the structure. In this case, we're using third person singular because you're asking someone else, oftentimes someone that you don't know. If it's someone that you do know, they're over by your house and you want to ask them if they want something to drink, you can say, ¿Quieres algo de tomar? ¿Quieres algo de tomar? Would you like something to drink? And you would answer in the affirmative, sí, gracias, or sí, por favor. Yes, thank you. Yes, please. If you don't want to, you will say in the negative form, no quiero. No and the conjugation. No quiero, gracias. Or no gracias. If it's first person plural, no queremos, gracias. And that's how you start using the verb querer right away. It's not about perfection, it's about progress. We do it step by step together. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, share with others so we can grow in communicating with other people who don't speak our native language and speak in Spanish. Have a good one. Bye bye y bendiciones.